So when we start to analyze our P&L, the most obvious basic calculations that we need are the gross profit margin, operating profit margin, and net profit margin. And with DAX, it is going to be very simple to calculate all of that ratios. And even better, since we already have defined the measure for gross profit and sales and net profit and operating profit, it is going to be very easy. All we have to do is pick up the values and divide that, and it is going to calculate my new measure for me. Let us start, and for that I will go to the new measure and I will say first of all, let us talk about the gross profit margin, and I will say in this formula tab here that first of all, please let us recall our gross profit, and that is already available in the measure, and then divide that with sales. And I will go to number format, and now this time this value is going to be small in percentage, so I'm going to give it 2 decimals, and I will say okay, and it will quickly add a value here in my pivot table. Now you can see that these are in numbers, but we can quickly change the format. So I will click here in the gross profit margin options here, value field setting, and I will say number format, and it is going to be percentage, and 2 decimal is fine for me, and I'll press OK. And you can see we have our values now. That is going to be 66, 69 and 68%. Now similarly, we can calculate operating profit margin and net profit margin as well, but I would recommend that you do it yourself as a homework, and then in the next lecture you can come back and see my answers as well. Let's do that.